How to fix error code 140 in Space Marine 2. Right-click on Warhammer 40k, Space Marine 2 and select Properties. Click the Installed Files tab, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, then relaunch the game. If that didn't work, open Setting. Under the General tab, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Close the window and relaunch the game to see if the error is resolved. If that didn't work, incorrect time and date settings can interfere with the game's connection to servers, leading to errors like error code 140. If that didn't work, the Windows firewall can block the game from accessing the Internet properly. Adding Space Marine 2 as an exception allows it to communicate with game servers without restrictions. Click Change Settings and enter your administrator password if prompted. Find in the list or click Add another app if it's missing. Check both the private and public network boxes, then click OK.